Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. My dear students, today I am going to give you a very big news, and it's a breaking news, and it's a very happy news for all the class 10th Karnataka State Board students. The students are awaited for this news from a very long time, and also I have received many comments and we have raised the petition against it, and today we have got a very successful result on the petition. And we can see here the government has taken a very good decision for the Karnataka SSLC State Board students. Today we are going to see what is that. Before we could start, I just like to tell you that the ESCC Evershine Coaching Center is going to conduct classes from class 6 to 10th standard Karnataka State CBSE and ICSE syllabus, and also we do conduct the classes online and offline for both 11th and 12th standard science, commerce and arts. And as we can see, today's very good news and the breaking news is the Karnataka Board class 10th exams 2021 has got postponed. The class 10th exams are postponed as India's second COVID wave worsens. This announcement was made by our beloved Karnataka Primary and Secondary Education Minister Mr. S. Suresh Kumar sir on May 13, 2021. It's a very good news for all the 10 students. As we can see, the present situation is going worst and worst. That is the reason this decision has been taken from our SSLC Karnataka State Board Education Minister. Now the top developments, as we can see, the Karnataka SSLC exam 2021 was scheduled to begin on 21st of June 2021. This was the scheduled date, but now it has got postponed due to the surge of COVID-19 cases. And our education minister has said that the health and safety of students and teachers is our topmost priority. For that reason we have taken this decision, and the new dates, the revised scheduled dates, will be decided after the second wave dies. So most probably I can say you that by next month they are going to decide, by the next month June, they are going to decide what could be the dates for the SSLC class 10th board exams. Okay, and also they are yet to announce class 12th board exam dates, so I hope both the dates are going to be announced by next month. So let's hope the second wave dies as soon as possible, so we can attend our exam and we can continue our education. So these details for the same will be discussed and worked out with the experts, and they are going to give the results. The safety and well-being of our students and teaching faculty is of topmost priority and paramount importance. That is, children's, one important news I just like to share with you all. Now it's a time to change the learning method. So ESCC is going to start the online and offline classes. So these classes will be conducted by top teachers and resource persons. And the features are these, the special features of our coaching institute. And these classes are going to start from 20th May 2021. This is the new batch, fresh batch for class 10 students, the one who are going to face 2021-2022 batch. Okay, we are going to start the new batch for the class 10 students. You can't believe it's just rupees 5,000 for full academic year. The price is rupees only 5,000 for the full academic year. The class 10 classes are going to start from May 20th, 2021. And also most probably I can say you that by the 1st of June we may start class 12th classes also. And this offer is only for the first 50 members, and the terms and conditions apply. We do have branches in Bangalore, Tannery Road and Shivaji Nagar, as the details are given here. Hurry, you all have got the best news today and the very good news today. Hope you all have got the best news today. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Don't think that your exams have got postponed, so you need to be free. Please continue your studies. Anytime they can announce, anytime the decision can be taken. Okay, anytime the decision can be taken, so make sure that your preparation should be going on. Thank you. Keep watching to our channels and share this information, share this channel, share this news to your all friends, the one who are awaited from a very long time. Okay, thank you. Keep watching to our channel. Still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon so that we can find, and also we can give you the latest updates and notifications from our end time to time. Comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Thank you. Keep watching. Take care.